Did you know the wounds that break us most are never the ones anyone else can see? He was a fighter of great renown. Every scar on his body had a story. The long mark across his jaw came from a duel at 17. The burn on his forearm from a siege that lasted 3 days. He wore each one openly, like a warrior should. But the elders sitting across from him carried nothing visible. No blade had ever marked him deeply enough to show. And yet, he spoke quietly of the friend he had abandoned when it cost too much to stay. The truth he had swallowed to protect his own comfort. The moment he had looked away when someone needed him to look directly. The fighter went silent. These were not the wounds of battle. They were the wounds of private choices, made in the dark, when no one was watching. Those are the hardest scars to face. Not because they hurt more, but because facing them requires something no sword ever demands: honesty. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.